Inside this video, we're going to be talking about this portable range hood and whether or not portable range hoods in general are worth it. We're going to be testing out the 3 different levels on this portable range hood while making some eggs and some bacon. Inside the box, we get the portable range hood, we get the power adapter, and we also get an extra filter that we can install in here after the other one gets dirty. To install the new filter, you just simply pull this out and the filter sits there in the front. Now, I was sent this portable range hood to test and review inside this video, but you're only going to get my honest opinion after we've thoroughly tested it. So how this all works is it's going to be pulling the smoke in the air through these charcoal filters and then out the other side through the exhaust. We also have an oil collection box that sits there in the middle of the range hood. Down here is going to be your power adapter port, and on top we have an on and off button, a low speed, high speed, and turbo speed. We'll test out all those speeds while cooking. Now obviously this portable range hood is going to work best if you have an electric skillet, or you could even use it inside of an RV if you don't have a range hood. Now I do have a range hood built into my microwave, but we're not going to be using that for this video. I'm solely going to be using this portable range hood, and we're going to test it out with bacon and eggs. I'm going to turn our stove all the way up to high, and we'll add some oil into here. I really want to get it smoking so we can test out if this portable range hood actually works. We'll go ahead and add some oil, and I'll let that heat up a little bit before we add the bacon. You may notice that we're starting to get some smoke already, so let's go ahead and turn this on and see if it works. First things first, we hit the power button and it automatically goes into low mode, so let's just see whether or not it sucks up the air, and it actually looks like it is. It's doing a pretty good job of removing that smoke, but let's go ahead and bump this up to high, and now we can really see it pulling away that smoke. And if we hit it one more time onto turbo, it's doing a great job of removing all of the smoke from this burning oil. Now let's add some bacon to it and really test it out. From what I could tell, it's doing a great job of handling the oil and the smoke coming from the bacon. We do have some oil marks and some spills around this, but I'm sure that it caught most of that oil inside of the box. In my opinion, it performed better than I expected. So now let's go ahead and try out some scrambled eggs. I'm sure it's going to perform even better. We already got our pan all greased up, so let's go ahead and pour in the egg mixture. There's just a little bit of smoke with our eggs right now, and it's handling it no problem on low speed. Now that we're finished testing out all the different features and whether or not this portable range hood actually works, it's time to decide whether or not it's worth it. And the answer to that question is yes, it's absolutely worth it if you're in need for a portable range hood. Somebody like me would only use this inside of my RV because I don't have a range hood currently, but for everyday use, I wouldn't use it because I already have an exhaust fan above my stove. It performed very well on low, high, and turbo speeds, and I found that you could leave it on low speed and it's fairly quiet, and it does a pretty good job of removing the smoke from the cooking area. It's also fairly easy to clean. There's no guesswork involved. It's simple to run and operate, and overall, I think that it's a solid portable exhaust fan, and I would definitely recommend it. And in my opinion, it's worth it. Thank you so much for watching this video review, and I hope that it helps. My name's David, and if you're into more content like this, we do product reviews, product comparisons, and top 5 best videos. So if you're into that kind of stuff, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. And stay tuned for when I release my next video.